Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. So thank you for taking time to be part of this. We're just creating an interface for a text editing application to help improve journalist writing. The app's purpose is to encourage accuracy in writings that are published on the internet. The insights from the study will guide us in designing the user flow of the product. So we will be recording this session to supplement the notes we're taking on how you complete the tasks. This video will only include your hands as you walk through the process. And just let me know if you have any questions throughout the process and I'll answer for you, okay? So yeah, try to think out loud and talk about the various options you're considering. Before you click on any link, just explain what other options you considered and why you picked them. Okay, cool, that's it. So introduce yourself.
Should I say I'm a product designer or should I say I'm a journalist?
You're a journalist.
Okay, I'm a product designer who
we can cut
is
that.
also a journalist.
Okay.
Yes. Usually I use Word, so that's probably what I'm familiar with.
Okay. And what was your name?
Jess, J-E-Z.
Jess, okay.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about your experience with computers as a journalist.
My computer is MacBook, so the system is totally different from Windows. And before that, I used Windows, so I'm familiar with both the Microsoft, like Word, and the Keynote. What's that name of the Word? Yeah, Pages.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So how confident do you feel using PC? And
Very confident.
Yeah, more than a Mac?
Oh, you mean a PC? No, I like Mac better.
Oh, okay. So, how much do you use the internet?
Always.
Okay. Nice.
10 hours one day.
What kind of sites do you use regularly, and what do you find most useful?
Kind of sites, Google, and some creativity sites, for example, Pinterest, and CNN, some sort of news website like that. Pretty much that.
Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna explain what's in front of you. This is a computer screen, and
I can see.
Yes. Yeah, right here. This is just an article that needs editing. So this is not a touch screen. Just imagine this is a pointer mouse. So I'm gonna ask you to perform a few tasks. While you're doing it, just remember that there is no right or wrong answers. So don't be afraid to mess up. And just use the pen in front of you to mark the option that you would use. So my first task for you is to select the first sentence and change it to a heading.
Select the first sentence. Okay, so I will go like from the beginning to the end, and then I will imagine here is a like selection bar that I can change the options. I will go from the list here and find looking for the heading, yes, and choose the font. Usually the font and the typeface of the heading is already set, but I don't like the set, so I will change it. That's pretty much what I will do to change the heading. Yeah. And yeah, that's all.
Okay, good. So now select any word and make it bold.
For example, I select cross, and then if it's a Mac, so it's Command B. That's all.
Okay. Take that word and make the font size bigger.
Actually, what I usually do is select the word and then turn to the selection bar and then find the font and then change it to the number that I want. But I actually prefer to do it more figuratively. For example, I want to imagine like there is a kind of contour line that I can just directly enlarge it and then or maybe I can select the word and then type in directly the number of font I want to change to.
Okay. So insert an image from your computer after the second paragraph.
Insert an image. I just want to do that, but usually I should find. Oh, actually, where's the image from? From my
Computer, hard disk.
Okay, so maybe I just Control C from that picture and then Control V, or find somewhere in the selection bar that I can embed it. Yes.
Okay. Now make a citation for that image.
Enter space and then put in a line, a smaller font, and then quotation.
Okay. Now find a sentence and select it.
Okay, here.
Okay. Now add a source to it.
Oh, wow. I cannot remember how should I did it. So, at a source, usually there is a little number that refers to the source, and I can do it by clicking on somewhere of the selection bar, and then it says adding source, and then it goes into here at the bottom, right? And I can edit the source, the phrases here. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay. So imagine there's a spelling error in one of the words in this article. Try to fix it.
Okay, for example, I cannot understand them all. So anyway, I think this one is wrong, so I double click it. No, actually I double click it and then I see it will suggest the word that may be correct to me, and then I will select the one I want and then change it.
Cool. Okay, so the editor indicates that you can improve your article by adding more sources. So add a source to the article.
Add more source to the article?
Yeah, just add another one.
What's the oh, okay, so add another one, find the section, and then so this is the second one, there's a little 2, and then click the 2, here it goes to 2, and then the source I can edit at the bottom. Yes.
Okay, cool. Okay, so you have successfully edited the article. Preview how the finished article will look like to the reader.
Preview. So here's a file or edit or preview section bar, and then drag it down. There is a preview, or maybe here, I cannot remember, but usually I prefer here. Preview, and then it changed the whole view of the page. Yeah.
Okay. And now publish the article.
Do you mean print it?
Just publish it to the internet.
Publish to enter. So now we're already out of the Word software. So save the article first, and then choose the correct, maybe like PDF or something like that. Save it as PDF. Turn on, go into the site that I want to publish it, and then publish it. Oh no! I need to drag the file to the internet, to the site, or find through the browser or something. Yes.
Okay. Well, you completed all the tasks we have for you, so
Thank you.
good job. Thank you again for participating in this.